Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Pool Test Strips is probably one of the most essential tools for any pool owner. Maintaining the correct chemical balance in your pool is crucial for both the health of your swimmers and the longevity of your pool equipment. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of pool test strips, exploring their accuracy, ease of use, and the key factors to consider when choosing the right ones for your pool. Number 5. 2025 Pool and Spa 7-in-1 Test Strips. These test strips read 7 different chemicals in your pool or spa water. They provide clear readings in daylight and come with easy-to-follow instructions. Simply collect a water sample, dip the strip, and wait a minute. The color chart makes it easy to read the results. This kit replaces bulky test sets. It delivers a complete picture of your water chemistry in just minutes. The kit checks chlorine, bromine, hardness, alkalinity, cyanuric acid, and free chlorine levels. It's a convenient way to maintain your water. These strips work for hot tubs, above-ground pools, in-ground pools, and more. They are suitable for various pool and spa types. What we like. This product offers comprehensive 7-in-1 testing, ensuring you can monitor multiple water parameters at once. It provides quick results, saving you valuable time. If you're looking for a convenient and efficient way to maintain your pool or spa, this is a great choice. What people say. Hold in water for 2 seconds, compare results within 10 to 20 seconds after removing from water, and adjust your chemicals as necessary. The pool and spa test strip results lined up perfectly with the National Pool Store printout. There are 2 little green lines under the color squares where your levels should be per item it tests. I didn't have to write down all kinds of number ranges. Super easy. Number 4. U.S. Pool Supply Test Kit Refill Solutions. This kit provides the essential refill solutions for your pool and spa. It helps you keep the water clean and safe for everyone to enjoy. This is the OTO solution, used to test for chlorine levels. It's a key component in ensuring your pool water is properly sanitized. This solution is for testing the pH levels. Proper pH balance is crucial for both water quality and the effectiveness of your sanitizers. With these solutions, you can easily measure and maintain the correct chemical levels. This ensures a healthy and enjoyable swimming environment. Simply mix a few drops of each solution with pool water. The color change will indicate the levels of chlorine, bromine, and pH. What we like. This product provides the essential refill solutions for your existing test kit. It ensures accurate readings of key chemicals like chlorine, bromine, and pH. If you already have a test kit and need to replenish your solutions, this is a cost-effective and reliable option. What people say. This is a quick and reliable way to check your pH chlorine content. pH test is perfect and chlorine is perfect. Should last for at least 2 years of regular testing. Number 3. eSeasongear TS1077-in-1 Pool and Spa Test Strips. This is the new improved version of the test strips. It is designed to quickly and accurately test your pool or spa water. The strips offer 7-way testing. They measure free chlorine, total chlorine, bromine, pH, total alkalinity, total hardness, and CYA. Using the strips is simple. Just dip a strip into the water and compare the colors to the chart on the container. The strips help you monitor key parameters. This ensures your pool or spa water is balanced and safe. Each pack contains 100 test strips. This provides you with plenty of tests to keep your water in top condition. What we like. This product offers a 7-in-1 test, covering all essential parameters for your pool or spa. The new improved version ensures reliable results. If you want a simple and effective way to test your pool water, this is a great choice. What people say. I use these test strips year-round for checking hot tub sanitation levels, and I use about 1 bottle a month. Probably I bought about 10 bottles now and they work great. I compared these to my previous test strips and I got the same results. Accurate reading of pool chemicals. Number 2. AquaChek 7-way Pool and Spa Test Strips. Introducing the AquaChek 7-way Test Strips. This product tests for pH, total chlorine, free chlorine, bromine, alkalinity, total hardness, and cyanuric acid. It's a comprehensive solution for your pool and spa water testing needs. These test strips utilize medical industry technology for accuracy. You can trust the results, as it offers comparable accuracy to liquid tests. It eliminates the need for messy drops and counting. Using the test strips is incredibly easy. Simply dip the silver strip, wait 15 seconds, and compare it to the color chart. Testing your water at least twice a week will help you maintain safe and balanced water. Each color pad is designed to optimize color vibrancy and prevent color bleeding. This feature helps you maintain healthy water chemistry. It ensures the water is safe for everyone. AquaChek has over 35 years of experience in the industry. The products are designed to help professionals maintain healthy pool and spa water chemistry. Trust the quality and expertise behind this product. What we like. This product uses medical industry technology for accurate results. It's easy to use, eliminating messy drops. If you value accuracy and ease of use, you should consider this product for reliable water testing. What people say. It has all the important parameters. Checked against a full Taylor test kit several times. The readings are fairly accurate. Easy to use. Accurate readings that are easy to see. I compared them against a kit where you put the drops in and found they were spot on. Number 1. Varify 7-in-1 Pool and Spa Test Strips. Introducing Varify 7-in-1 Test Strips, the ultimate solution for pool and spa maintenance. This kit monitors 7 key water parameters, ensuring your water is clean and safe. It's everything you need in one convenient package. Using these strips is incredibly simple. Just dip one into your pool or spa, and you'll get instant results. The color chart is easy to read, making it simple to assess your water quality accurately. Get accurate results in less than 30 seconds. These test strips provide a quick and reliable way to check your pool or spa water. It's perfect for busy individuals who want quality without the wait. The innovative Fresh Seal technology ensures these strips stay effective longer. Each kit contains 100 strips, individually sealed to maintain freshness. You can trust that it will deliver precise results every time. By choosing Varify, you're also supporting a great cause. A portion of the proceeds goes to Water for Good, helping to provide clean water in Central Africa. Using these strips helps maintain your pool and contributes to a global effort. What we like. This product offers 7-in-1 testing for comprehensive water analysis. It provides fast results in under 30 seconds, perfect for busy pool owners. If you want a long-lasting and effective testing solution, this is the one for you. What people say. These test strips are very easy to use. The Varify 7-in-1 Pool and Spa Test Strips are very easy to use and give a quick overview of the water quality. They're convenient for checking multiple levels at once without needing complicated equipment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.